Hi, I'm Robert Badcock. I'm Managing Director of Mantracourt Electronics. So recently we've just completed installation of a new pick and place machine and a new AOI, which forms the completion of the latest phase of improvements here at Mantracourt, where we've looked at process changes and new machinery and new capabilities. So for our customers, it's really important that we have increased flexibility and capacity. We need to make sure that we're able to fulfill our customers' needs in a timely manner and obviously adapt to the changes in quantity and product mix that's required. With the new machines, we've got much greater flexibility in terms of how we work. We have the ability to kit new runs offline. We have the ability to place different varieties of components, different types of components. And the ability to be much more flexible in terms of the quantities of product that we produce at any given time. So in 2022, we shipped nearly 150,000 products, and we anticipate going forward, looking at customer demand and the products that we're producing, that by 2025, that will need to be more like 250,000 products a year. So the actual capacity that we can get out of our equipment is very important. The new machines allow us to have much higher run times than on the previous ones. We have the ability to change component reels as the machine is running without stopping. We have the ability to kit new builds before the machines start. And we also have the capability to manage inventory on the fly. So we will know exactly what components are required to complete a job, and those parts can be replenished without the machine stopping. So our move to Industry 4.0 has taken place across a number of different areas. So the actual inventory management, the parts that we have on stock, the parts that we have on order, our demands for customer components requiring fulfillment, all have to be considered when we contemplate planning our builds and planning our purchasing. So new machines also give us the capability to place newer, more challenging, smaller component packages, items like BGAs and newer technologies that will mean that wherever we go with our new product developments, the machines are capable of undertaking that work. So as well as the new machines, we've also looked at the processes that are used on those machines. We've looked at and changed the type of solder that we use for selective solder machines to operate at a lower temperature and with a higher through weight. We've looked at component purchasing and component consumption to ensure that we're making the right purchases in the right time to fulfill our customers' requirements. So for our customers, it's important that we are able to fulfill the orders that they need in a good time. We are investing in new equipment and new products to make sure that wherever the industry goes and whatever they need to fulfill their business growth requirements, we're able to fulfill that.